Namaste Goa. I'm in South Goa today, and I'm along with Mr. Warren, and he's my son Nikhil Kamat's friend. I'm mother of Nikhil Kamat and Nitin Kamat. I have come here to inaugurate this exhibition. It is conducted by Krishniah Chetty and Sons, and they have got legacy of 150 years in jewelry, and especially in ethnic jewelry. And nowadays they're manufacturing beautiful simple jewelry also, along with the bridal jewelry and all. So here you can come and witness here like that. Something I'm also wearing. It is from Krishniah Chetty and Sons only. And like this one, they do this Gandabirunda and all that is in like ruby, diamonds and natural stones, and so many varieties are there. Even they have lab grown diamonds also. Please don't mistake that they have only costliest jewelry and all. They have simple varieties also. You all can come and witness this. And Triveni is my friend, and she brought me here to light the lamp and inaugurate the function. And I'm privileged and happy. Like now, nowadays we are staying in Goa because my son, we are also bought house here, and like that, no, as is one step here in Goa. And for Goan people, I think this is a nice opportunity to come and view Krishniah Chetty's collections practically here, and you don't need to come all the way to Bangalore, and you can come. And as you all know, first cabinet is made of lab grown diamonds. See, compared to our natural diamonds, this is also natural diamonds, but this is it is grown in the lab. That is why it is called lab grown diamonds, and the cost of it is very less compared to this natural diamond. This is also natural diamond jewelry. Like this
made
one,
in the lab.
Made in the lab. Now it is hitting the market, and anyway, as my opinion, the diamonds that is the natural diamonds are diamonds only, but is what is naturally we are getting, it is more precious. But this is for people who wants to have different varieties, and I think this is a better option.
I'm very privileged to be here. For that, I have to thank Auntie. I'm a family friend of Kamat family. As Auntie said, Auntie has to just call me or text me, and I am always there. So when Auntie called me here, I was more than happy to come here. And a huge congratulations to Madam for openings. As she said, that she's been doing this for quite a few years in Goa, in North and the South. So I welcome you here, Madam. And anytime you need any kind of assistance, please kindly call or text. You have family here now, and it's an honor to have Auntie over here in the south of Goa. As you know, the Kamat family has been doing a lot, not only in Goa but across India and across the globe. So when she put her feet south of Goa, we should feel lucky as Goenkars. And I hope to see Auntie much more often in the south of Goa. And thank you for having me here.
Namaskar Goa, we Krishniah Chetty Group of Jewellers, we have finished our exhibition in Fidalgo, Panjim. From today we are starting our exhibition in Margao at Hotel Nanutel. It starts from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening for 2 days. That is 27th May and 28th May. So we request people of Goa to please come and view this beautiful collection of jewelry which we have brought specially for them. I am sure they will definitely love it. We are also giving a promotion of 2% for silver, 4% for gold, 6% for diamond jewelry and 9% for diamond jewelry above 18.69 lakhs.
I'm Triveni Vinod from Bangalore, and we have a 155 years old of C. Krishniah Chetty Group of Jewellers, and I'm so privileged to have both of our friends here. And then I would love to welcome all of you, the Goans, to come and experience our jewelry. So what we have done is to the royal families, 21 states of royal families we have served for them, and we have a nice museum to keep the history to people to know what about the jewelry. And it's not only on the jewelry, it's like the kind of culture and the art and how our heritage in India So when I'm seeing in Goa, I'm so proud to see how the culture is spread across the world.
See,
And
this is
welcome you all.
this is Gandaberuna. This is as a symbol of Mysore heritage, and like that, no, this is Rajas of our Mysore actually used to have this as their pride. And here at Krishniah Chetty, this they continued, and having it is auspicious. It is wearing this is a sign of auspicious. This one, and so here it is available beautifully in all the sizes. And like you can come and have a look at it at least.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.